Hi everyone, my name is Alok and I'm from Englistia and I know you people know me very well. Well, today I'm going to discuss a topic basically because number of people they come for the counseling and come for like with certain inquiries that I want to like master this particular skill or I want to work on those skills basically, right? So लाइफ में ना हमें सबको कुछ ना कुछ सीखना है. फर्स्टली आपको कभी भी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं होना है. मे बी आप एफर्ट्स पुट कर रहे हैं बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द रिजल्ट. सो देर विल बी अ ड्यूरेशन, एक ड्यूरेशन सेट होगी कि हाँ मे बी आपको आपके एफर्ट्स का रिजल्ट ना मिले, बट इफ यू कीप पुटिंग द एफर्ट्स देन ट्रस्ट मी यू विल गेट द पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आउट ऑफ दैट. So that positivity you have to create in yourself. Well, so I'm just going to tell a story basically about a student who came with like lot of queries, okay, lot of doubts, and he was puzzled and even like he was stressed. Basically he wanted to master the communication skills and because of this he was stressed. So वो आया मेरे पास एंड बोला कि एग्जैक्टली सर कैसे करना है, मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है और मैं एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट तक ट्राई करता हूँ एंड देन आई डू नॉट गेट द रिजल्ट एंड अगेन आई बिकम लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड और मे बी आई बिकम लाइक होपलेस यू कैन से. सो हमें होपलेस नहीं होना है किसी भी सिचुएशन में, बिकॉज एज आई बिलीव एंड इट्स माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट, दैट इज फॉर श्योर, और that is the rule of the nature. Because if you put like input then definitely you'll get the output. Maybe you are not getting the output right away, but trust me a day will come then you'll get the output. So वो हिंदी में भी एक कहावत है, कर्म किए जा एंड फल की चिंता मत कर. So in order to master any skill, I'm not talking about over here like the communication skills, maybe you are trying to learn cricket or maybe you are trying to learn music, so or maybe somebody is trying to learn dance. So these are the skills can be mastered, but you should have the perseverance, patience. अगर आपके अंदर patience है then definitely you'll get success. There is nobody who is going to stop. Okay, so you are the creator of your own future, so decide whatever you want to do. I'll share certain points with you people, those will definitely help you. Now if you have decided something then that particular goals should be visible all the time to you. So you can write down something like this is my goal and this is the particular date and I have to make it at any cost, and you can just stick that particular paper in the bedroom or maybe wherever like you sleep. What will happen, maybe you like when you will wake up in the morning, definitely your eyes will go on that paper, so that will remind you exactly that okay I have to work on this. So if there is no clear visibility on the goal then trust me you are like there is no clarification that you want to do something or not. So you have to clear your things that this is what I have to do it at any cost. Implementation is very important, it's essential. Okay, now if you want to learn jogging, so again it takes time. Maybe on day one like you are not able to walk for a kilometer or maybe you are not able to run for 2 kilometers, but even if you start with 500 meters in a week you will cover 1 kilometer, or maybe for some people they can cover a bit early, or maybe for some people they may take some time. So देर इज अ लॉ ऑफ नेचर. नेचर का एक लॉ है बहुत ही अच्छा है कि अगर आप एफर्ट पुट करते हैं किसी भी चीज के लिए देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट, दैट इज फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि रिजल्ट तो आपको मिलना है. सो गॉड इज देयर, लाइक ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू इनजस्टिस विद यू. ओके, सो वो भी जस्टिस करते हैं हमारे लिए, बट हाँ मे बी रिजल्ट आपको लेट मिले. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, इट्स वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस. Okay, every day you have to read the newspaper. Okay, now reading the newspaper, through reading the newspaper how will you like work on the communication skills, because reading is the receptive skills. So do you know the difference between receptive skills and the productive skills? No? Okay, receptive skills are those skills through which you receive something, and productive, you know, the production, right? You are producing something. So for the productive skills you produce something. So reading, listening, writing and speaking. Now you tell me like how will you categorize them? Well, So reading and listening are the receptive skills. When you read something, you acquire knowledge. Okay. When you listen to someone, again you acquire knowledge. But when you write something, you produce something. Some kind of production is going on, right? When you speak something, right now I'm like speaking in front of you, so it's some kind of production is going on, right? So there is a right technique basically to master every skill. So you have to adopt that particular right way. So over here, if I'm telling you that you have to read newspaper, then start reading newspaper aloud. Okay, इतनी भी तेज नहीं पढ़ना है कि आपका गला खराब हो जाए. So थोड़ा सा loudly पढ़ेंगे आप daily newspaper. Okay. Then what else you can do? You can record your own videos. Right now I'm recording my video for you people. Okay, to tell or basically to share some points. So in this way only you have to record your videos. Then you have to observe your body expressions, your body gestures, the way you are speaking. Maybe you can watch it later and you can try to find out the grammatical errors, whatever you are making, right? And that will help you. Maybe like you were not sounding good as per your observation. So in the next video you try to be enthusiastic, throw some energy in it. Okay? So this is like very simple. Trust me, like the way you think that it's too difficult, hard, okay, I cannot do this is nothing. Okay, so in the same manner you have to follow it, but you have to be consistent. Like consistent, I'm talking about the consistency means the regularity. Okay, regularity, uniformity can only lead to the success. That's the way. Now like if I tell about the gym, तो आप जिम जाते हैं, then what do? Every day you do exercise for your different muscles, right? हर एक दिन आप अलग अलग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं अपनी अलग अलग मसल्स को ग्रो करने के लिए. तो इन द सेम मैनर आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बट डेली. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक दिन किया 1 घंटे और उसके नेक्स्ट डे लाइक यू आर नॉट इवन लाइक ट्राइंग फॉर 5 मिनट्स. ट्राई टू डू फॉर 5 मिनट्स बट डू ऑन द डेली बेसिस. ओके, ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता है कि आपने 1 हफ्ते की एक्सरसाइज 1 दिन में कर ली तो जिम में बाकी 6 दिन नहीं गए तो आपकी मसल्स बिल्ड हो जाएंगे. ट्रस्ट मी, आपकी बॉडी खराब और हो जाएगी. सो we have to understand the value of uniformity, regularity and punctuality in the work. So हमें एक time set करना है कि this particular time I'll start working on my skills and this time is decided for myself, for my learning, for my own growth. Okay, उस बीच में आपको कोई disturb नहीं करना चाहिए. Even some people are disturbing, do not answer them. कोई call कर रहा है, maybe friend, they are asking, okay चल 5 बजे चलते हैं भाई, क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, right? So ऐसा नहीं है. That time should be your fixed time for that particular skill. Okay, because we have limited time and within that time only we have to work on our skills. अगर आपको अभी भी कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेश्चन है, तो you can always ask by visiting our Facebook page or maybe Instagram page of Englistia. Even on website you can like scroll and you have the option like contact us. Okay, so you can contact anytime. Even there is a number that is 8800249027 which is on WhatsApp. तो आप कभी भी कोई भी डाउट अगर आपको होता है, you can text me anytime. I'm available 24/7. Okay, for you people specifically. So कभी भी कोई भी क्वेरी होती है तो प्लीज जरूर पूछिएगा. And even I want you people to attend our online classes as well. Like you can take the free demo. Okay, demo अगर फ्री में मिल रहा है तो प्लीज enjoy it. Okay, अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता और कोई फ्री में डेमो दे रहा होता तो फ्री में लर्न करने का क्या बेनिफिट है आपको भी पता होना चाहिए. दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू एंजॉय द क्लासेस. ओके, मे बी आपको पसंद आता है, नहीं पसंद आता है, दैट इज द डिफरेंट थिंग, बट आई एम फॉर श्योर दैट कि आप एंजॉय करेंगे एंड डेफिनेटली आपको अच्छा लगेगा एंड यू विल बी ज्वाइनिंग अस सून. सो आप डेमो लीजिए, अच्छा लगता है देन ट्रस्ट मी यू कैन लाइक further process for the enrollment, otherwise it's your own choice. And our website is www.englistia.com and I'm sharing one alternative number that is 9315600916. Okay, so you can call me, you can text me, you can send me text on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, whatever you want to use, or Instagram. Always I'm available. Thank you so much. Okay, please keep working on the skills. Bye bye.